Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you've been on the hunt for a high quality all-in-one bedside hi-fi system, then you might have noticed that Bose has recently discontinued their Wiim radio. This, along with their lifestyle systems, helped define Bose as a brand. But Bose's loss is Yamaha's gain. Yamaha, a company known to produce everything from pianos to jet skis, designed this spiritual successor, the Yamaha Music Cast 200. If you're looking to simplify your home sound system, this compact yet powerful speaker might just be what you need. So let's get into it. Unboxing the Yamaha Music Cast 200. It comes with the usual assortment of manuals, pieces of paper, and a remote control. First off, let's talk design. The Yamaha Music Cast has a sleek, modern look with a minimalist design that fits seamlessly into any room. It feels modern and sleek, and it's available in either black or white. On the front, you've got two forward-facing drivers, which consists of an 8cm woofer and in the middle a 2.5cm tweeter with a power rating of all the speakers combined of 50 watts. There is a nice large clear display, and below that is a rarity these days, a CD slot. Yes, it plays CDs. And there is one button on the top which is used for snooze and sleep, as this can be used as an alarm clock. And at the top there are touch sensitive controls for the power, the inputs, the presets, track back, track forwards, play pause, and volume up and down. And the Yamaha Music Cast makes this really cool animation on startup. The Yamaha Music Cast 200 that's featured in today's video was provided by friends of the channel, the Soundstore. The Soundstore is Australasia's largest single door reseller of Sonos speakers. They are experts in home audio installation and home automation. Their showroom is in Newmarket at the corner of Crowhurst and Kent Street. Call them today on 09520 2105 or visit the website thesoundstore.nz. The Yamaha Music Cast can play music from a wide range of sources, and that first source we're going to look at is CD. To test its CD playing functions, I have the Bose Wave Music System CD. Let's see how well it does it pretending to be a Bose. It can also do the radio. It can also do USB. Connecting to the Bluetooth is nice and easy. So when playing music, you can adjust the sound mode with the bass booster. You can also adjust what's displayed, the music track, the artist information, and the album. And you can cycle through that with the display button on the remote control. Clicking options on the remote control brings up clock settings, sound settings, network settings, and system settings. The Yamaha Music Cast is a system of two halves, the physical product, which is easy to use and which appears simple. And you could use the Yamaha Music Cast straight out of the box, as it comes with a remote control. The clue to the product's other capabilities lie within the name itself, Musiccast. Yes, this is a streaming device. Let me open up the Musiccast app and show you how easy it is to connect and use. Open up the Yamaha Music Cast app, and then you're going to click Add New Device, Music Cast 200, click Next. So far this is pretty easy. And now we have two Musiccast 200s connected to the same network. The Yamaha Music Cast has something it calls scenes, and those are the 5 presets along the top. Now, Each one of these presets can be whatever you want it to be, whether it be a radio station, a CD, a net radio station, or a playlist. Let me demonstrate. We're going to click number 4 here, and number 4 is actually the CD. So it'll start playing the CD. Here is net radio on scene 2.
Christmas's coaching staff earlier this year, signing on until the end.
Okay, so we're playing a playlist through Spotify now, and to set this as a scene, you push and hold down number 5. And it's been saved, so that when you click the different scenes, it changes.
This afternoon. Overnight.
Like any decent streaming service, you have the ability to access your net radio, Tidal, Spotify, Qbuzz, Deezer, Amazon Music, AirPlay, net radio, and you can also get to your music if it's on a server. You can also access your tuner controls here, so you can actually just tune it from here. It does have DAB radio, but that isn't available in New Zealand, so we won't be covering that. And if you're interested in seeing the album information for the CD that you're playing, when you click on CD, it'll have pulled that from a database and it's showing it right there. So you can access pretty much all the services you like with the app if you so desire. And if you prefer to stream your music to the Musiccast 200 via AirPlay, then you can do that also. And with the app, you can adjust your alarm and sound settings. The Yamaha Music Cast 200 also features a wireless charger. The Yamaha Music Cast also has a link feature so that what you play on one system will also play on another system. So here we're playing a CD, and it's playing on here.
Whatever happened to
Is the danger? It's been a long time.
So how does the Yamaha Music Casts sound? Well, they sound pretty good. There is nice levels of bass, even though it's a small size. There is clear treble and well-defined mid-range. Overall, it sounds very good for the size of a product that it is, and sounds very similar to the old Bose Wave radio music system that, of course, this spiritually replaces. The Yamaha Music Cast 200 has a wide soundstage, meaning that the sound is dispersed evenly throughout the room, so it doesn't feel boxed in and narrow. The Yamaha Music Cast 200 is a easy to use, well-made, small, compact, all-in-one hi-fi system that can play almost any content imaginable, and it's all available for a reasonable price of $1,299. Overall, I think that the Yamaha Music Cast is worth the $1,300 asking price, as it delivers on all its promises. And if you're looking at getting one, you should get one from the Soundstore in Newmarket in Auckland or online. That's the end of the video. Give this video a like, leave a comment down below, share it with your friends, and I'll see you all again very soon.